at the range today. And I'm very accurate. You see that? No. First shot.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a special video. I know I've been saying I'm a post. Everybody's been telling me where's the videos at, where's all these videos you've been telling us about. Alright, here it is. I got it for you. So today I'm bringing out purchase recently. I'm pretty proud about. I had got me Henry 4570. This is a lever action. Came with a Picatinny rail on it. Very nice. Came with a really nice iron sight on it. Obviously you guys can't see, but it's really nice. And obviously, clear the chamber obviously. It's probably like my new favorite gun. Because everybody was saying to me though, I wasn't gonna like it. I was gonna not like the recoil on it. It's gonna shoot too hard. I shot 405 grain rounds, which I will show some videos of, and I hit more shots than I hit with a 30-30. So, I mean, I don't know how you can go wrong with that, but nah, this is right out of the box. I've only shot 6 rounds out of this. I can show you what comes in the box also. Comes with an inspection tag. And this, so you can see the tag. It comes with all the people, making sure it says checking for ammo, make sure it has no ammo, ammo inspector, final inspection, and package check for ammo. So make sure there's nothing. Comes with a manual for it. Comes with a Henry tag. I had to put under the box the rounds I was shooting. I'll show you guys the rounds. So I was using HSM rounds. Is Cowboy Actions. As you can tell, are very big rounds. I had made a couple other videos of me shooting some guns I'm gonna throw into here. The videos weren't good videos, so I'm just gonna kind of just slap them all together. So I kind of got what I got and just gonna work with it. That's also why I haven't came out with the video saying anything. But also, I had picked up this Ruger 5.56 AR pistol. This is also one of my new favorite things. It came when I had bought it with iron sights ready on there. This is a foldable stock. Like, let me see if I can do it just a little bit. So they can go down, go back out, and also you can take this off. This head came with suppressor ready. Also, this head came with a muzzle concealed flash. So I had bought it with this, and yeah, everything on here is illegal. And we're planning on doing this, putting some more upgrades into it. I haven't fired rounds to it, but I have gotten some rounds for it. 5.56 green tip.
I'm talking green tip, 5.56 in a blick too. Oh, he lack.
Alright, but no, pretty happy about this purchase. I don't think you can go wrong with this. Anything I've seen on this so far has been really good reviews. And yeah, this Taurus G2C 9mm comes with a safety trigger. Also, this is what I like more than better than the Diamondback, and also it has nothing in the chamber. You can actually cock back and it'll actually stay on this one, but I really like this. Comes laser dot ready, and you can change interchangeable sights on here. Yeah, and everything I've seen for this is very easy for any upgrades or any attachments that you want to put on here. It can be very cheap. The Taurus I had purchased this. I don't know if you can get this any more cheaper, but I had got this for 200, and this is better than a Glock in my opinion. And I don't really care what you guys say in the comments. I'm going for what I'm based on liking and shooting. I'm not going based off of what everybody else wants me to shoot and like, you know. So, but this is left-handed and right-handed shooting. So as you can tell, because with the thumb and finger right there, and when it's also loaded, so when you know it's loaded, this pop it back, this will pop up, letting you know that there's a bullet in the chamber. So if any like cases where you're sitting there like trying to figure out, oh, do I have any bullets in chamber when you get home, or if in the case like you go to the gun shop or anything like that, then you can know that this is up, which this is what I really like about this gun, because I feel like it's really good. Nice see of my, I'll show you guys a picture of my silhouette of what I was shooting at with the 45-70 and the 30-30.
45-70. Pulling off the sock off this. So. Oh man. Oh man. Alright. Let's get these rails all loaded in. Get this bitch fired. So, if you guys don't know what a 45-70 is, that's how big the bullet is. And I'm shooting one bullet. Just one. And we'll get my reaction. Ah, shit. Alright. Oh shit, that felt good. That felt good. What the fuck? And I'm accurate. What? Alright. So I'm gonna get a couple more shots out of my 45-70. So I wrap it up for the day. As you see, I only got one shot out of it. Obviously. And let's go ahead and load these big boy rounds in up in there. Just to let you know, these are 405 grains. So this is not normal shots. It's not what you normally would get. This, and so yeah. On that note, let's go ahead and do it again. Wow, like what? Bro, you guys gotta see this. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, most people say 45-70s be leaving bruises on their shoulders. Mine's good. I felt good. That felt good. I ate that. Alright? Next, we have my 30-30. But this is a special 30-30. This is not no normal 30-30. Pulling out the sock on this one. I have to pull out the sock on the other one. This is the wildlife edition. You can't really see it. It's beauty. Real nice. Has a deer on the side. A great type of gun, you know what I'm saying? Really nice though. We're gonna go ahead and get this loaded up. This one does have where you can load the bullets up from inside this tube. So you can lift up this tube and you can load the bullets up. 30-30. Go ahead. haven't pulled out the other one yet because obviously I don't want to. I'm motherfucker staying in there until I, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and get a second round in this. Not as accurate as Taurus. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple more rounds. Pick up my brass real quick. Oh no, wait. See, the one thing about this is, I really like this one, but I don't know how I feel about this one compared to the 4570. Because that one had less kick, I feel like. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one another one. I'm trying to get it right to the dome. What? Nah, bugging. Right. Let me show you. I'm accurate. I'm at all dome. I missed maybe one. No, I'm too good.
And I'm not gonna lie, I was really hoping that I was hitting more shots with 30-30 and way more accurate with it, or like better with it, since also I was like one of the first guns I've ever shot. But I'm not gonna lie, nah, the 4570 is more accurate, has a better iron sight on it, and it was just ready. I feel like the other one just was like a grapple gun. It's like it should be set on the shelf, shouldn't even be shot. So I just left that thing alone for right now. But I'm not gonna lie, this 4570, I feel like would be nice to go do anything with, even go fun to go shoot anything. Like I have, in my personal opinion, I hit way more shots. It was way more accurate, and I was shooting farther with this. I was shooting, I believe, I shot 50 yards with this 4570, and I had shot 32 yards with the 30-30, and I still hit more shots with the 4570 than the 30-30. And as you guys can see, like either which way I'm putting it on here, the editor, you'll see that I hit more shots with the 4570. And everybody said, oh, that thing's gonna kick your ass. Look. You know what hurt me? Did that. That's what I got from the 30-30. That wasn't even from the 4570. That's from the 30-30. So that's my little bit of a gun collection so far. I'm just kind of showcasing what I got so far, just to kind of give y'all the idea that y'all are some big. Give y'all the idea that since y'all think, cause like I'm not going based off of the comments thing. A lot of people assume I don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally showing you that I have almost a whole artillery. And I'm gonna be honest, I can't wait to get more, because I'm planning on either, like, if I do get anything else, because all I'm pretty much doing is just getting attachments for everything right now, would be like a shotgun. Because shotguns are also on the cheaper end. You know, you could probably spend like, what, $400 on a good shotgun. You know, because a lot of people expect that you have to spend thousands of dollars just to get a nice ass gun. No, that's bullshit. You pay for the quality. Yeah, you pay for the quality. It also matters on how you take care of your stuff. As long as you take care, you clean, you make sure that everything you have is taken care of, it'll take care of you. It's the same thing with everything, in my opinion. I've never had an issue with my Taurus, and I've been cleaning it like that. I've only had issues with one of my guns. but it wasn't even mine. That's how I received it. It's how I received my weapon. So personally, I don't know. I'm really liking this though. And I didn't even think to show you guys the 4570. Show you guys. This is a up close 4570. It has, you can reload it from here. All you have to do is, if you guys can see this, you can just slide this over and unlocks it. You open this up, and then you slide the bullets down in here. Go bloop, 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 bloop. You can fit about five to six maybe. I forgot exactly how many. Go ahead and slide this down. Make sure you click that back, and then it'd be ready to shoot. So, and then you can see if it's loaded, it's right through here, right through the bullets. And then you know this is nice and oiled up on the inside, greased up. Only shot 6 rounds through it, so it's obviously a little bit dirty in there. But yeah, it's nice. I don't know if you guys can really see the iron sights, but it's really nice. So, cause it's a round dot type thing, and yeah, and then making sure that you reset the trigger. Resetting the trigger. When you reset the trigger, make sure you real nice and easy. Ain't nothing but that. Ain't nothing but a thing. And this also did come with a plastic butt stock. You don't really get these, which was really nice, and I feel like made it a lot more easier to shoot, in my personal opinion. When I went up and shot it, it just felt a lot more better. Like, I felt more tucked in and shot. Boom. So, and nothing is over here. It's just, that's just my kitchen. That's just my kitchen. That's so far. That's why I haven't been uploading lately, and I don't know if you can tell. Your man's over here been doing work. See his facial hair? It's man facial hair. Alright. See this hair? It's crazy hair. Alright. That's what you get from working hard. You know what I'm saying? My gun collection. You know what I'm saying? 5.56, 45.70, 30.30. I can't lie. I'm gonna go crazy. And when y'all peep me next year, the gun collection's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have to give you a new update. But until then, this is all you're getting. This is all you're getting. For now, I'm doing vlogs. That's why I am. And I'm doing shooting vlogs. Yeah, we're doing shoot competitions. We're doing all types of stuff. We're doing all types of stuff with these. Hold on. But I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna put these down. I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, tuning in on the video. I'm gonna be uploading more too. I just been busy. Like I said, I got a new place. I haven't uploaded a video for it, but I had just moved into my new place probably about a month ago, almost. So just been trying to get adjusted, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to move everything in and shit. It's also why I haven't been uploading anything. I know I only uploaded like a video trying to get, you know, my stuff out. But anybody that's watching this right now, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification buttons just for any time I upload, even a short. Man, you know my shorts are busting. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of my guns, or all you guys' opinions, or if anything that you guys would like to see me do, just let me know in the the comments. You know, I do read the comments. I read the comments. I make sure I get them, reply to most of them. You know, if anybody's sitting there hating, I'll be like, season 2, so it doesn't matter. But all right, well, I appreciate y'all. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.